Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. I guess I can take my mask off since I'm in the car. Guys, I am here at CVS and I'm getting ready to go in and do some incredible deals. Guys, this is going to be an amazing haul. So go ahead and get your paper out so you can take some notes. Get your phones out so you can take some screenshots. Make sure you download Ibotta. If you haven't done that yet, the link will be in the comments as well as in the description box. And guys, we're getting ready to save for real. So let's get ready. Go ahead on into the store and get ready to save. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up and let's head in. Okay guys, so I'm not going to be able to do my deals in the aisles. I have to come to the front of the store to do the deal because the music is blasting and I don't want my video to get dinged on YouTube. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to bring everything up to the counter, do the deal, and then go over the receipt, okay? So let's get our first deal done. So my first deal is going to be on the simple wipes. They are $8.99, but when you spend $15 you get a $5 extra buck. Now be careful guys, because there's a couple different simple wipes. There's some that are $6, there's some that are $9. I got the ones that were $8.69. So that's going to bring my total to $7.38. But then I'm going to use this coupon that came out today in your save insert, and it is a buy one get one free. It says max value $9. So you're dependent on your cashier, they're either going to take off the $9 or they're going to take off the $8.69. Either way you're going to make out great. So just say they take off the $8.69, then minus your $5 in extra bucks, that's going to come to $3.69. But I'm going to show you guys how this deal gets even better, because we're going to combine this deal with another deal. So we're going to combine this deal with the Cetaphil wipes. So all of the Cetaphil products are on sale. Buy one, get one 40% off. Now you can choose whatever Cetaphil products you want. I chose the wipes because those are the ones that I'm going to use the most, because I was able to stock up on the creams and the moisturizers and the cleaners and all of that last week and the week before. So I'm going to get the wipes this time. Okay guys, so the Cetaphil wipes are $10.29. That's what I want to pay for the first one. The second one, which is 40% off, I want to pay $6.17. So that's going to be a total of $16.46. Then I'm going to use this BOGO coupon, which doesn't expire until April 2nd, to get one of these for free. And it doesn't have a max value on here, and I'm not sure what value that the cashier is going to put in. According to the new CVS policy, they should put in $6.17, but depending on your cashier, they may put in another amount. So we'll see what happens. Either way, it's a great deal and it's going to be absolutely free. And I also have a $4 off CRT, Cetaphil CRT, and a $2 off Cetaphil CRT. Now the whole reason I'm combining these together is because I have a $5 off 25 facial CRT. So between the $17 and some we're spending on the simple wipes and the $16 and some that we're spending on the Cetaphil wipes, we more than exceeded the $25 off. So that will give us the extra $5 off, which in turn will end up making this deal absolutely free and possibly a moneymaker, depending on how things work out. So let's head up to the register and let's see what happens. Okay guys, so here is the receipt. Everything worked out great. So there's the two Cetaphils. They were each $10.29. One was 40% off, and you see that came down to $6.17. Then you have the simple wipes for $8.99. Now I did have to still pay like $1 some out of pocket. I think it would have worked out if I would have had the Cetaphil coupon put in as the $6.17, but it doesn't matter. I'm fine with that. So they did take off the $8.99 for the simple whites, which was correct. He put in the $10.29 for the Cetaphil wipes quarter coupon. Then the 5 off 25 facial care came off, the $4 off Cetaphil came off, and then the $2 off Cetaphil came off, but you see only 14 cents of that came off. So I think that's where we went wrong. I think if he would have put in the $6.17, the whole $2 would have come off. I don't know, but either way, I'm happy with it because I still got back a $5 extra buck for the simple white. So really, out of pocket, this was only $1.02. Ooh, look guys, look at all that yummy chocolate. I have an amazing deal on these Hershey bars. So you're going to grab 8 of them. The promotion this week is buy 2, get 2. And they are $1.49 each. So you're going to buy 2 and then you're going to get 2 free. So I got a total of 8. So I paid for 4 and I got 4 free. Okay. Now this is how the deal works out. Show you my receipt. See, I got 8 of them. Then I use the $2 off 3 select candy. It is a $2 off 3 CRT for select Cadbury and Hershey's candies. And then I had a $1 off $4 Hershey's candy. Now I'm gonna tell you why I had to get 3. At first I just got 4. So when I got 4, because they're $1.49 a piece, that only came to $3. So then the $1 off 4 CRT would not have come off, only the $2, and the $2 CRT would not have come off because it had to be off of 3 and you can't count the free ones. So I had to get a total of 4, but that works out because if you think about it, 2 of them are $1.49. which if you round that up, that's $3. And you see, I only paid $3. So I still got all of those for I got 8 bars for the price of 2. All of that chocolate. So guys, go ahead and grab your Hershey's. Alrighty guys, so here is our next deal. It is a deal that I'm going to combine. So first I'm going to start with the Aspercreme. This is a new product, the Aspercreme Flexi Motion Patches. You want to make sure that you get the 3 in the box. They are $19.49 at my store. Now make sure that you check your price because at another store they were $19.99. So each store may vary. My store is $19.49. So just adjust your math, okay? Now, there is a $5 digital coupon in your CVS app that just came out, so you can use that. I'm not sure if that coupon's on coupons.com or anywhere else, but I know it is in your CVS app, so make sure you clip that. Then you're going to submit this to Ibotta for a $4 rebate. And after all of that, you're going to get back a $10 extra buck. So if you think about it, you're only going to pay $1.99 for these Aspercreme patches. But we're going to make this deal even better. I'm going to combine that with this here, with these 4 CVS medicated heat patches. Now you can get these, or you can get, these are the single patches, or you can get the other one. I forget how many patches is in that. These are $2.19. The other ones are like $5 and some. But I grabbed 4 of these because I have CVS Care Pass. I'm going to get 20% off, so that's why I had to grab 4, because my total had to be $25. Now my store follows the 98% rule, so this is going to come to like $24 and like 75 cents or something like that. So that will qualify for me to get the $4 off 25 CRT. And then after all of this is said and done, it's going to be a really great out of pocket. So let's go ahead to the register and see what happens. Okay guys, so this deal worked out even better than what I thought. My calculations were wrong. This is actually a money maker. So you can see I grabbed the 4 CVS capsation patches, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the Aspercreme. Okay, so here's the $5 CVS, the $5 digital coupon that attached, the $4 off 25 rubs and patches attached. Then I used a $10, actually this didn't come out right. I used a $10 CVS manufacturer coupon, and there's the 70 cents off the Care Pass. So I really paid $18.55 out of pocket. Not sure where I went wrong. I guess I didn't have to get all those patches, but I did get back a $10 extra buck. So this was $1.45 out of pocket. I'm still fine with that. So let's move on to our next deal. Okay guys, so here is our next deal. So all the You by Kotex products are buy one, get one 50% off. And then when you buy two, you get a $2 extra buck. Now you can only do the deal one time. Although you see that I have 4 of them, it's because of my CRTs and my coupons that I was using. So that's the only reason I have 4. So let me tell you what the deal is. So I got 4 of them. Each of them were $1.79, but you buy one, you get the second one half off. So one was $1.79 and the other one was 89 cents. So I paid, here, let me show you my receipt. So I paid $1.79 for 2 of them and 89 cents. Well, 89 cents and 90 cents for one, and 89 cents for one and 90 cents for the other. Okay. So now let me show you what came off. So I had a $4 off manufacturer coupon. I did have $1 off $6 any pad CRT, and I thought that would come off, but it didn't. And I guess because I used the $4 manufacturer coupon. The $4 manufacturer coupon is $4 off any two pads or liners. You just have to make sure you get the correct amount. And although I got 4, I couldn't use 2 $4 off coupons because it would exceed the limit. And you know, CVS doesn't do overage, and they get funny when something doesn't add up to the coupon. So I was only able to use 1 $4 coupon, but I'm fine with that because you see my out of pocket was $1.36, but then I got back a $2 extra buck. So really this made this a 64-cent money maker. So go ahead and grab your You by Kotex, and then don't forget to submit your receipt to Fetch so that you can get a couple more points. Alrighty guys, so here's our next deal. This is not an extra bucks deal, but it is a money maker. So you're gonna grab 2 Jergens lotions. All of the Jergens lotions are buy one, get one 50% off. So let me show you my receipt. So I got the bigger ones that were $8.49. I paid the $8.49 for the first one, and then the second one was 50% off. So you see I paid like $4.25 for that one. Then I used 2 $1.50 manufacturer coupons, 1 on each one. Hold on, this is blurry, guys. I don't know how to. Hopefully it clears up. There we go. Okay, so I used 2 $1.50 manufacturer coupons. I had a $5 off 2 Jergens hand lotion CRT. Then I had a $3 off 10 lotion CRT. So then out of pocket, I paid $1.73. But then I submitted my receipt to Ibotta, and I got back $1 for each one of these lotions. So that makes this a 27-cent moneymaker. Go grab your Jergens lotion. Okay guys, so this is our last and final deal. It's on the Venus razors. Select Venus razors are spent buy 2, get a $10 extra buck back. So I got these. They were $9.99 each. Let me show you my receipt. $9.99 each. Then I used 2 $3 off Venus manufacturer coupons out of the P&G that just came out today. Then I had a $5 off 20 any shave CRT, and then I used a $10 extra buck, which I lost $1.02. I should have grabbed a candy bar or something, but I just wasn't thinking. So you see there, it was 0 out of pocket, but see, I got back a $10 extra buck. So this was actually a $1.02 moneymaker, and I'm absolutely fine with that. Okay guys, so this is my entire haul. This is everything that I got. I paid a total of $4.66 out of pocket. If you divide that by the 29 items I got, that brings this to 16 cents an item. Guys, I'd say that is an amazing, amazing haul. So you can do the same thing. Just look through your CRTs, see which ones you have, match them up with your coupons. Some of these deals are advertised, some are not advertised. Everybody gets different CRTs. You may have better CRTs than I have, but just match them up to see what's best for you. Let me know in the comments which deals that you plan on doing. Let me know if I missed anything, if I missed some coupons, if I missed some CRTs that should have attached, because I always like to learn. And I want to make sure that we're sharing the deals with each other so that everyone is saving. So guys, if you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do so. Hit the bell next to the subscription button so that you can get a notification every time I put up a new video. And make sure that you subscribe to both Fetch and Ibotta. I put the links in the description box as well as in the comment box. All you have to do is go ahead and click the link and download it so that you can save even more. But guys, as always, until the next time, keep on saving.